In this video, we will show you how to exclude file or folder that detect as virus on Windows 11, even if you already disable the antivirus itself. In here, when you open antivirus for Windows 11, you can see in here our antivirus is already disabled. But as you can see there, when we extract some file, for example, in the download folder, you can see when I extract the files, okay, the file is detected as virus. You can see there. The file is detected as virus, even we already turn off the antivirus. You can see my antivirus already turned off here, but my file is detected as virus. Then the Windows Defender is delete my file. How to exclude them? First, you need to open your antivirus. In this case, the virus and threat protection settings. You can just type in the search bar, okay, just type antivirus, okay, then select virus and threat protection, and in here from the virus and threat protection, choose manage settings. Okay, you can see our real-time protection and the temper protection is already turned off. But when we execute the files, okay, you can see here, when we extract again the files, our file is deleted. Okay, when we open our file here, you can see our file is detected and the Windows Defender or antivirus here is delete our file. You can see I cannot open the file. Okay, you can see there it's auto delete. Now in here, to exclude the folder or file here, for example, we can exclude our download folder. Just click the exclusion here, okay, from your real-time protection here. Just click add or remove exclusions and select add an exclusion and select folder. Actually, you can also select file, but in here we recommend you to select folder. For example, the download folder will exclude in here from the tag as virus. Okay, after you doing this, and make sure your antivirus is turned off like this, you can see the temp protection and the temper protection is turned off, and you already exclusion the files, you exclude the folder in this case, I mean. So you can try to extract your file again, for example here, and yes to all. Now the Windows Defender will not scan your files because sometimes it's fall flag about this file detect as virus. Okay, so you can free again to open the file like this. Okay, you can see there. Now you can open the program that you trust to run for it for free here. Now that's all tutorial how to exclude the file that detect as virus in Windows 11, and we suggest you just exclude the folder, not all the extension of the file. Hope this video helpful for you.